Government of Dubai has launched the Dubai 3D printing strategy, a unique global initiative that aims to exploit technology for the service of humanity and promote the status of UAE and Dubai as a leading hub of 3D printing technology by the year 2030. In 2025, every new building in Dubai will be 25% 3D printed. This move will start from 2019, starting at 2% with a gradual increase to the strategic goal. Dubai Health Authority has committed to regulating and setting the standards to the use of the technology in the health sector and will explore the use of 3D printed prosthetic limbs, 3D printed teeth and 3D printed hearing aids in public clinics and hospitals. The Dubai 3D printing strategy aims to reduce labor by 70%, reduce cost by 90%, and reduce time by 80% in different sectors. The global market for the 3D printing is expected to reach $120 billion by 2020 and about $300 billion by 2025. Driven by research and product development activities and the increasing need for creativity in the design process. 3D printing technology will ease the production process in various sectors, offering the prospects for major leaps in the world of industry.